Hello YouTube and welcome to the first video of InfoLane. These days we all have Android phones, but have you ever thought of controlling your PC or laptop with Android phones or tablets? In this video I am going to tell you how to control or use your laptop or PC with your Android device. And here we go.
Collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.
For doing this, we need Google Chrome. Just open the Google Chrome and type remotedesktop.google.com, and I have provided the link in the description from where you can open this website directly. After this, just scroll down and click on Get Started. And it will ask you to sign in using your Google account. Just sign in and click on next. After doing this step, next page will open where you can set up your remote access. Just click on the download icon to download the extension. A pop-up will appear. Just click on add extension and the extension for Chrome remote access will be downloaded and will get added to Chrome, and you can use this extension by clicking on its icon. Now choose a name for your computer and click on next. After this, choose a 6-digit pin, suppose 1 2 3 4 5 6, and re-enter the same and click on start. Now you can see it's starting. And now the computer is online. Now go to your Android device and open Play Store and type Remote Desktop and click on Chrome Remote Desktop and install it. And I will also give the link in the description. After installing this, just open the app and sign in using the same Google account, and here you will see the name of your computer. Just click on it and enter the 6-digit PIN for authentication and click connect. Now it's connected, and you can see in the left side I have my desktop and on the right side I have my Android phone, and you can see I can open any file and folder using my Android phone.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, hold tight. Because of you, dripping lights paint the skies. Only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last for.
If you find this video useful, then like the video, and if you have any doubt or suggestion, then put it in the comment box, or you can DM me in my Insta account at InfoLane, and the link is also given in the description. At last, make sure to subscribe and also press the bell icon for future notifications. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.
Dripping